We knew this place was going to be nice, but this is like presidential suite or something. I've never seen a hotel room this nice. Maybe it's just because we don't usually stay in luxury resorts, but we're blown away.
So we just woke up from a nap. We're just about to check out of this little hay house.
Tiny house.
Tiny house in the middle of the jungle. And
yeah, we needed a nap.
Yeah.
Woke up very early this morning.
Yeah, it's quite noisy here, but
we're just gonna go check out a bit of Sidemen and probably get some lunch and then check into the 5-star resort.
Yeah. So we're staying at Samanvaya. It's a beautiful resort. Small disclaimer, we have received a small discount on our stay in exchange for sharing our experience, but we wanted to stay there anyway, so it's somewhere that we actually wanted to treat ourselves to, but we feel very fortunate that Samanvaya has offered this to us, but we just thought we'd let you guys know and be transparent. But yeah, we're about to pack up and head out.
Losing control, I gotta know who's in control of me. Losing control, I'm gonna explode. Can you bring it back to me? Bring it back to me. Bring it back to me. Bring it back to me. It's making me feel so weak.
We just arrived at Samanvaya. It looks incredible. I can't wait to show you guys here. Like blown away, actually. It's huge.
Call it lemongrass iced tea.
Nice.
Oh my goodness.
We knew this place was going to be nice, but this is like presidential suite or something. I've never seen a hotel room this nice. Maybe it's just because we don't usually stay in luxury resorts, but we're blown away. Check out the view.
I can't believe this is the nicest place. Oh my god, I'm crying. I've never stayed anywhere like this before. It's actually like surreal. I can't believe it. Like we're staring at a mountain right now, overlooking like crazy rice paddies, and we've got like a private pool, and oh, it's just insane. Oh my god, I just feel so grateful.
We'll give you a full tour once we get settled. Go for a swim in the pool.
Yeah.
Check out this view, and then we'll show you around.
have our own private pool with pool lounges overlooking all the mountains. It's absolutely beautiful. We also have an outdoor shower, which is perfect. You know we love an outdoor shower. This honestly is the nicest place Lloyd and I have ever stayed. We usually go on the budget end of accommodation, but we've been really lucky to be invited here. Let me show you guys in the villa. So obviously the first thing you notice when you come in here is the huge bed. It looks so luxurious and comfy. I cannot wait to sleep on it tonight. It's so comfy. One of my favorite features in here is actually all the chandelier lamps that are inside. Like, they're so beautiful. And they're throughout the entire villa. Also have some here in this beautiful reading area. So one really cool thing is that this room actually has a phone in it, a mobile phone, so you can actually just message the front desk for anything that you need, which I think is really cool. You can order room service from it and also book spa treatments as well, which is really cool. One really good thing about this place is that it actually comes with cold water, and they check it every day to make sure that it's still full, which is awesome. The last place that we were at didn't have water, so we were very thirsty when we got here. There's
Safe and
robes.
stuff. Oh wow. We might chuck them on later.
Look at it. It's so beautiful, and it comes with a bag, a pool bag.
Man, I'm gonna look so fucking funny in that robe.
Oh, I love it. I can't wait to put that on.
I'm not putting that on video.
Why? I think this will be our sunset watching spot. Honestly, I'm so taken back by this place. This place is so luxurious.
I think it's good that it's just like so big and so many different spots to hang out at.
Yeah. So I'm really lucky I get to have a 90-minute massage. They're quite busy, but they've managed to fit me in for a time slot. I'm gonna head down and get a massage, and I'll take you guys with me and show you the spa here. Down the best massage I have ever had in the most luxurious spa I've ever been in. I feel like a princess being here. I'm not even lying. It's so amazing. Now that we're all finished at the spa, we're gonna get ready for dinner and head down to the restaurant. Loving the restaurant here. There's so many plants inside, like they've brought the outside inside, and they have, I think they're avocados growing right in the restaurant, which is so cool.
Might be passion fruit vines.
Do you think they're passion fruit?
Yeah.
I have no idea what
I think they're passion fruit vines.
But yeah, the feeling, like you feel like you're outside but you're inside, it's really nice.
It's not very fancy, but the chicken burger looks really good. Yeah, we stuck to that.
Yeah, we're not very fancy. We just finished an incredible dinner. It was absolutely amazing. Just got back to our room. We're gonna order some dessert for room service and maybe play some cards and then head to bed. So we will see you guys in the morning. We just woke up in paradise. I can't get over the view here. It's like 360-degree views, something nice to look at everywhere. And we just had an amazing breakfast brought to us. It smells absolutely amazing. I can't wait to dig into it. So with Lloyd and I normally being budget travelers, I feel like it can be a bit frightening to spend the extra money to get a place that's nicer. I think you'd kind of be worried that your money would be better spent in another way, but I can confidently say that this is worth every penny. This has been the best experience of my life, but I just wanted to share that because for us it's sort of like a gamble and we always tend to go for the more cheaper options, and I know it can make you a bit weary. If you are wanting to indulge a little bit, this is the place to do it. We're sad, we don't want to leave this place. It's been absolutely incredible. We're just gonna finish packing our bags and then we're just gonna head into Sidemen for a little bit and then make the trek back on the scooter back to Canggu.
Oi.
What's wrong?
This dog's begging, not very subtly. Oi. We just paid $400,000 for 2 30-minute massages and lunch each, which was really good. They got like Indian food, Chinese food, Indonesian food, Thai food, and it's really reasonable price. The massage was probably one of the best I've ever had. So we'll leave the link in the description below because this place, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, is really good.
Well, we hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!